everybody do-rag out.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like stocking.
Yeah. 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 Leave me out the comments.
Hey y'all, good morning. Okay, it's 12, but you know. Today is gonna be a vlog, day in my life. Weekend edition, it's Friday. So, some interesting fun things planned today. So I thought I would take you guys along with me, show you what it's like in my life. I just threw on, washed my face, threw on some moisturizer and some sunscreen. And look at these flat twists, y'all. Like, your girl, I can't cornrow, but I can flat twist. I was gonna try to do a flat twist out today, but I was like, I'm gonna let it sit. The longer like to flat twist or twist set for me, the better, because I don't even think they're fully dry in the back here. So I'm gonna just let them sit. Maybe I'll take them out tomorrow. But in the meantime, you know, I ain't gonna be walking around like these. So I was thinking of throwing on a wig. I don't remember this wig called Chrissy. Where's her card at? Chrissy. She was super popular when she came out. Y'all, this wig hates me. Like, it looks so dumb on me. So I'm trying to, like, if you guys want her, let me know down below. She's in the color 2. I wore her to try her on, but besides that, like, and I paid a lot of money for her, so I'm really sad she didn't work out. So if y'all want her, let me know, because I'm gonna just give her to somebody, and I don't know what to do with her. I'm gonna just wear Annie, because Annie be coming through, y'all. If y'all don't know what Annie is just a long, kinky half wig. Like, I feel like everyone knows who Annie is. She's super cheap. I'll leave her link down below on Amazon. So basically, I start a new job on Monday. So I want to go and get a cute, you know, first day in the office kind of outfit. I would like a pants and a shirt, whole kind of ordeal. But I do have some pants, so if I just find a blouse, that's fine. I'm probably going to run around and go find an outfit for that. And then I want to show you guys my new toy, my new baby. I'm still naming her, but she's cool. I got a new baby. I'm trying to show y'all my new baby, you feel me? So we got a couple things to do, and then we're going out tonight, so we need to get cute for that. I hope you guys have tried your pumpkin spice lattes. It is fall time. It's my favorite time of the year, so I hope you guys are like getting with the program. It's important. Oh, I look like, oh, I actually don't like how this looks. Okay, back. Let me stop. All right. She gonna have to work. She gonna have to do. All right.
I'm stepping up, I took this shit. I'm stepping up, I took this shit. So don't you fight it. So don't you fight it. Baby boy, you stay on my mind. Fulfill my fantasy. Come on, girl, tell me how you feel. I think about you all the time.
Now I'm about to go into CVS and get my eyebrows done, some errands. But this is the inside of my car. It's a Nissan Sentra, and my tires are crooked, but here it is, y'all. It's fancy. Fancy for me, anyways. So 2021 Nissan Sentra SD, I think. Yeah, something like that. My new baby, y'all. Is she cute?
Niggas trying to keep up, shit is not a contest. Whipping bands concept, heaven sent, God sent. At least that's what my mom says. Proof is in the progress. Money's not an object. Busy than a motherfucker. You know how my job get. Barking up the wrong tree. You know how the dogs get. Haven't fallen off yet. Come with a classic. They come around years later and say it's a sleeper. The ears are real, the petty is real. Might trust my ex for a feature. Deposit the money, the friend of Leticia. Or Linda Felicia. She gave it me twice. I didn't even know for her once. You know I'm a pleaser. 42 millimeter was made in Geneva. Yeah, I probably should go to Yeshiva. We went to Ibiza. sins, he wouldn't believe us. Sins, I got sins on my mind and some M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love with 2 girls at one time and they 10s. That's why I got 10 on my mind. I got M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. Should repent. I need me some Jesus in my life. Amen.
Okay guys, so before my camera dies, I wanted to do a quick TJ Maxx haul. So I got a few fall things. I didn't want to go too crazy. I actually didn't get a work shirt. They actually kind of disappointed me. They have a lot of their sweaters and things out, but it's not that cold here yet, so that was disappointing. So this is just some random stuff for my car. I got some deodorant for my car and some lotion, some hand cream, even though I just found my hand cream, but this is like some goat milk hand cream. Never seen this brand before, but this is just Tom's, you know, like the natural deodorant. So I'm gonna put that in my glove compartment. Or no, what's this called? The middle part. I put it in the middle part. Got some lip oils, just like a lip gloss, lip oil situation. Never heard of this brand either, but it has vitamin E, argan oil. You get 3 for $3, so I thought that was a good little steal. Let's try one. I'm gonna try the, oh, I thought that was a tomato. This is strawberry. I don't know. I feel okay. Well, that's that for that. Then I got this makeup eraser thing that I hear a lot of people talk about, but I never went to get one, so I just decided just to try it. So this is the makeup eraser. It was only $8. They had all different kind of colors. I think they all do the same thing though. All right, y'all, we're gonna have to finish on the phone. Remind me to get something for the phone to hold on the dashboard, and like something to hold my camera on the dashboard. Okay, then for actual like fall decor, I got this these kitchen things. I'm like obsessed with these. Like, I changed my kitchen rags with the holiday. Well, they're not rags, but these like hang on the oven. I'll show you guys later. But I got this plaid cute one, and it came in this like trio set, so I'm just gonna hang these, and these are only $5.99. And then the best thing that I found, I was looking all over the store for it because I had such a strong feeling, you guys. I was like, I know they have this here. I know they do. So I got the K-Cups, the Keurig K-Cups. I got the limited edition Starbucks pumpkin spice. I don't know if it's going to taste exactly like pumpkin spice, but this is going to save me so much money, you guys. I've already bought 3 or 4 pumpkin spices since they came out. So I'm going to really try to make like an iced one. Like, I can make it my way, you know, like a little less sugar. So,
what's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing. I'ma spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Told Pooh he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the Ville and I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine at Vincenzo's. Me and my amigos got that free smoke on the West Coast. Yeah, I'm talking about pre-rolls. Dark hair bitch, she look like she go. She do. Hometown hero, feeling myself, can't murder my ego. She heard of my deep stroke, she said, babe, does it hurt when I deep though? Certified freak hoe, hang around dust and she learning my lingo. Back then, wasn't worried about me though. In the gym, trying to work on my freak though. Goddamn, spending money at the club like Sam's. Yes, ma'am. She a little freak on cam, but she don't put this on the ground. Little boys trying to diss on the ground. Hey, I can't switch on the fan. Shit's hot, hit the switch on the fan. This where my head is. I feel resentment from every direction. Even some homies be wearing expressions. I be discouraged from sharing my blessings. We used to share a connection. Now it just feels like it's wearing and stretching. I'm getting real sick of taking advice from people that never could stare at reflections. Somewhere in there is a lesson. Y'all ain't involving, it's very depressing. I'm at the club with the basketball team. Me and the Cardinals are sharing a section. Gotta cherish the present. I'm drinking water and wearing protection. Got a career and I'm very invested. Some people call it a scary obsession.
I have to stand in the hallway and get the final look, y'all. And the lighting here is so trash. So trash. But I had to throw the wig on. It doesn't look the greatest, but it's gonna have to do.
just quit asking.
We're going apple picking. Yay. Okay, here I go. How does this work? Oh! Those are good ones that fell. Alright.
So what do you have? What is that?
This is a Fiji, I think, right?
Sure.
I think these are Fiji, y'all. Don't quote me. I don't know.
I think it's a Criterion Fiji.
Yeah. So this place is really cool. It was only $2. And then of course you pick as many apples as you want and they charge you by weight. So we don't know what ours is gonna weigh yet. We're not done. We keep finding only one kind of apple and they have like about 4 or 5 different kinds. So we're trying to find some other colors, some of the taste. Just taking some pictures, relaxing. So we found out they have a few peaches left here, y'all. So. Woo. Oh, that's so nice. This one's cute. Taste test. Here's your cup.
Apple cider? Was that cinnamon?
Yeah. Try it. Good. Tasty.
I don't pay for apple though. Oh, there it is.
Is the donut made out of apple?
Yeah.
I see why people get 2 of them.
So they're all gone.
Yeah, luckily Dre grabbed one because I ain't even see it. Alright, you guys, that is the end of today's vlog. Super sleepy. Time to nap. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Join the family. I'll have more content coming out very soon. And happy fall, y'all.